Hi everyone, this is Kathy and Kelsey's are right here too. We're back. We're back from our trip from Italy, and this is our first soaping video after our trip. And we're gonna tell you all about it while we make this beautiful soap. We're gonna make a peppermint candy cane soap for Christmas. Alright guys, here we go. Let's go and make the soap, but before we do that, I'm going to tell you what I'm going to use today. We're going to use my Red Obsession for the accent colors, and Trial by Fire, and the Brambleberry Red Mica, and I have it all mixed it over here. We're going to have the main base of the candy cane soap is going to be white, and the rest is going to be this beautiful colors over here. Alright, and we're going to use our regular recipe, our you know, the recipe that we use all the time. Okay, we're gonna put our regular recipe in our description box. Alright guys, let's go and make the soap. Okay guys, here we have our usual oils in here, our solid oils, and that's the coconut oil and palm oil. So I'm going to use my hot light water solution to melt my solid oils. So, like I was saying before, we're back from our trip to Italy, and was supposed to be a trip to go see my parents, you know, my relatives and everything. We had everything planned. Unfortunately, something not very nice happened. My mom passed before we got there, and the funeral was, they had the funeral actually before we got there, and it was hard because, not just because my mom passed and I was really close to her. We were like, my mom was my best friend. We talked every day almost. But lately, since I think the month of March, she was not feeling good. She was type 1 diabetic. She was on insulin all her life, almost all her life. But anyway, she did very well most of the time, but lately I think her heart was not working very well. It wasn't fun when we went there, because I mean, she wasn't there. I was really depressed, but I gotta say, I got to see my dad, my brother that lives there. I have a brother that lives there, and I got to see some of my relatives. But you know, we stayed there for 2.5 weeks, and you know, we did have some fun. And I know my mom, you know, was one of those ladies that she wanted you to have fun. She always told me to have fun. Always told me, you know, life is short, enjoy yourself. We did go to the beach like a couple days. We didn't stay there very long, but Kelsey got to swim, right, Kelsey?
Right.
And you liked it, right?
Yeah, I did.
And it was in September. I'm telling you, where I come from, people think about Italy, you know, they think it's cold. Well, it depends where you come from, Italy. I mean, the northern part of Italy, it's cold. It's very cold at this time of the year. And it gets kind of cold where I, you know, in Calabria too, but not that cold. I don't remember being that cold when I was growing up. I remember going swimming in September and the end of September and even the beginning of October sometimes. You know, most of the locals don't do that. They think it's really, really cold, but I didn't do that either. But once I moved, you know, I go like, oh my gosh, how did you not go swimming? It is so warm, right, Kelsey?
Right.
So Kelsey had a lot of fun. She got to, like I said, she got to go swimming one day, and she loved the water. What did you think about the water, Kelsey?
It was nice. It was like nice and warm. It wasn't cold at all, and it was like I was swimming in a pool, except it was the ocean, and you know, it had waves. And like Mom said, it's not very cold there in September. It's actually pretty warm.
It's like it's warmer than summertime here in the Northwest, so a lot warmer.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so let's go back to our soap here. We have our liquid oils. The liquid oils here are, oops, I'm making a mess here. Making a little mess. You know, I'm out of touch here a little bit. Anyway, the liquid oils over here have castor oil, mostly is olive oil, and the sunflower oil. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put a little, and I actually have a little bit of sodium lactate in here. And I'm going to put some of this stuff that is, I'm going to put a little bit of kaolin clay in my oils. A couple of scoops here. Maybe 3. And then I'm going to put a little bit of milk, powdered milk, because milk is really good in soaps. It gives you this beautiful silky feel. So that's why I like to use milk. I didn't have any coconut milk right now open, so I didn't really want to open a can right now. So I decided to just use this.
In fact, some historians said that Cleopatra herself bathed in milk.
Yeah, that's what
to
they
keep
say.
her skin silky smooth.
You know what's really good milk? Yeah, a lot of people don't know, but donkey milk is very good milk. Okay, I'm going to blend this a little bit. And I'm going to come back and put it in the other oil. Okay, so now that I'm done with the liquid oils, I'm going to put them with the other oils, with the solid oils in here. Alright, and we're going to mix these up too. And we're going to mix it up until we go to trays, okay? And we'll come back. Alright, as you can see, we're almost medium trays. It's really light trays, but it's almost medium, I can tell, because the way it feels. Anyway, I'm going to put this in 3 different containers. Because we're going to do 3 colors. And we're going to do, okay, we're missing a container. Let me see, I think I have one right here. Okay, so we're going to do 3 containers. And they don't have to be exactly, the same, because it doesn't really matter. I mean, it's not like an exact measurement on this. The big one is going to be white, and the other ones are going to be different shades of red and pink. Okay, so I'm putting titanium dioxide in this one because this is our white base. And it's not going to be super white, it's going to be kind of beigey color. And I'm going to do in the pot swirl there. I was thinking about maybe I'm mixing in here, maybe I can use my bigger container. In fact, let me do that. Let me move this in my bigger container. actually did close our shop at the public market because we just didn't like the way things were going, the direction where things were going there. And we're going to try to find another place, probably closer to our home. And maybe, who knows, something better. But I mean, you know, we had fun there. We met a lot of friends. There are a lot of good people still there. A lot of the people that we know left. A lot of our friends left too. And I know everybody had their own reason. You know, people just sometimes want to do something different, right, Kelsey?
Right.
But you know, we're gonna be online right now, so and later we'll let you know when everything is ready for our website. We're working on it right now, and everything should be ready pretty soon. With all this up there we already have, right, Kelsey?
Right.
Okay, so let me go and smack this down a little bit and we'll be back. Okay, so we're just gonna do a little design here. Okay, and I think I'm gonna put a little bit of glitter on it. So this is the Brambleberry Snowflake Sparkle Mica. It's not glitter, and it's really beautiful. It has a really light shimmer that we love, right, Kelsey?
Right.
And that's all we're gonna do, and we're gonna spray it with a little bit of alcohol here, 91% alcohol. All right, here we go. And that's it. We're gonna wait about, I don't know, 3 days and come back, and we're gonna cut it, and we'll see you in a second. Hello guys, we're back, and the loaf, you know, are ready to be cut in smaller bars. I already cut my big slab mold, I mean, you know, the little slab mold that we have. And I really like the way this looks. Look at the inside. Isn't that cool? Those are the sides. I'm going to cut them in the bars now. In the manageable bars. Okay? So here we go. Okay, so let's see what it looks like inside. I think it looks really cool, you know, from the sides over here. It's actually what I really wanted. So let's slice the first one here. Ooh, look at that. There's a little bit of glycerin rivers, but I think it's okay. They don't look bad. I kind of like it sometimes. It did gel. I you know, had it overnight for a couple days, you know, where it was in the mold, so it was a little soft the first day, you know, after 24 hours. So I decided to let it stay another day. And it worked. It looks, I think it looks pretty cool. So let's go into the other one. So keep watching this channel because we are going to post the date when our website's going to be ready, and our shop on Facebook too. So if you guys want to buy any of these soaps, these are going to be ready, let's see, the 3rd week of November. And we will be shipping all over the United States and no other places, because shipping is just too expensive. And, you know, and hard, especially now the post office is kind of crazy. Takes forever. But anyway, that's one of the things we want to tell you. One important thing, we just checked our subscribers number today, and guess what? We are 501 subscribers. So as promised, we are going to do the card, Amazon card, for $50. So if you guys subscribe to are subscribed to our channel, and you're visible, because I gotta know that you're real. First of all, you're a real person. I need your email address, and so I can contact you when we do the drawing. So you guys just check it out. If you're visible on our YouTube channel, we can, tell who you are. You know what we mean, right, Kelsey? They have to be visible, right?
Yep.
And so we can do the drawing and send you the $50 Amazon card. And I'm not sure if we can send it anywhere in the world, but we're going to check it out. If we can, it's going to be open to everybody. If we can't, it's going to be only Americans. Only the United States of America. Okay? So just keep following us on Facebook and Instagram. And if you like our videos, you like us to do different kind of soaps or other things, please let us know. And we will do it for you. And also don't forget that when our website goes live, don't forget to try our soaps. And here they are. I cleaned them up and they're ready to go on the curing rack. And what I was trying to say before is that they smell amazing. They do have a little bit of the candy cane fragrance oil, but I used to a lot more of peppermint essential oil with that, and it smells really good. So you guys, like I said, if you like this video, give us thumbs up. And if you like our channel, like what you see, please subscribe to our channel. And next week we're gonna do the we're gonna see who's gonna get the $50 Amazon gift card. All right, so be sure you're visible on our channel, and please subscribe, because we are doing giveaways all the time. All right, see you guys next week. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you are doing well. Bye, everybody.